Viking night. With bolters, bark, and axe in hand, we cleanse the stars, we take our stand. Sons of Fenris, howl and roar, ride the storm to chaos door. By claw and blade we never yield, wolves of death upon the field. Russ, our father's wrath, word and war shall guide our path. Fangs of Fenris, cold and grim, we sing the stars our battle hymn. Sons of Fenris, fierce and free, guardians of humanity. No demon's fire, no heretic lie, shall break the wolves that never die. Walls of death upon the field, walls of death upon the field, walls of death upon the field. Russ, all father's wrath, word and war shall guide our path. Fangs of Fenris, cold and grim, we sing the stars our battle hymn. Sons of Fenris, fierce and free, guardians of humanity. No demon's fire, no heretic lie, shall break the wolves that never die. Russ, our father's wrath, word and war shall guide our path. Fangs of Fenris, cold and grim, we sing the stars our battle hymn. A battle love shall guide our path. Fangs of Fenris, cold and grim, we sing the stars our